Busia, come with me again, oh, come with me again. You know exactly what you are talking about. Somebody comment on my comment section that top, sometimes you have to just speak English too well because we have people from other countries who do not understand what you're saying. Anyway, I have auto dubbing on my YouTube, so it will explain everything to you based on what you are looking out for. But I have something so unique and funny, but yet it's very, very serious. Ebusuya, the secret is here. The secret of what these Igbos want to do in Ghana is revealed. It has been revealed, and I have the secret with me. Okay, now I'm going to share with you the entire video of a secret, Ebusuya, why they are in Ghana. There's a big secret. The plan they have is to build something in future they call Niger Town. Okay, Niger Town. Listen to me, Niger Town. That's the secret they have. I'll find time and come and make a video with respect to all the plans they have put in place for that until we chance upon all these things and we are talking about it. And so Ghana for now, people will not allow us to talk. These people have a plan, a perpetual plan. So listen and listen carefully. Now we'll go and listen to the other part of the video where we'll get some explanation with respect to what they want to do, the secret. And that is why they start to do what they were doing. And the Igbo leader planned to build a village. There's a plan on that, guys. That plan will blow your mind, all right? Quickly. Now, before I go further, before we talk about all the things we have to talk about, you guys know that Dr. Hassan Ayarga and the guys have said they will do a citizen arrest on the 18th of October. Now, we are waiting patiently to see the D-Day of what will happen. But guys, let me just give you some few informations that will help you out. And I say, if you're in the diaspora and you are wondering, let me give you few tips and things that are going on. So you know. Now, this guy in question, Chukwudi himself, okay, knows that he's actually against some of the things he's doing. The law of the constitution or the Republic of Ghana. Okay, so he's doing so many things. I've told you guys, said he's doing so many things, and he's contacting a lot of people, reaching out to a lot of people to ensure people to come and guard his gate before the day. And guys, it's not like you're just gonna go there and it's gonna be easy. It's not gonna be that easy as you see it. Let me tell you guys that they are planning, and also more planning allegedly to ensure, say, they will have some police presence. They will have some police presence. I will tell you guys all the details about that later on another video. But today, if you meet me here, all that we are coming to discuss is that if a Nigerian come online and tells you that, oh, all this thing that they are saying that they want to annex Ghana, it is not true. They are lying to you, and whatever they are saying is not a fact on the ground. They plan to annex Ghana, and that is why you see all of them coming to Ghana, and they are spreading to the north, south, east, and west of Ghana. They are spreading everywhere. The idea to do that, I will tell you after we watch the prophecy video. So there is a prophet that have prophesied that in his dream he saw that in 2052, listen, in 2052, these guys have decided to annex Ghana, and they'll build a place by name Niger Town. Listen, Niger Town. Good. Now let's go and listen to that prophecy. We finished with that prophecy. I'll give you guys one or two details as to what is going on around places that information are coming from. Okay? Can say fila. We'll be right back.
People ask about Igbo king. Igbo king. Yes. Then who is what is he going to do and every other thing. Now in the realm of the spirit, I saw say in Ghana in 2052 precisely. So do the calculation, begin to map the timeline. One important thing I began to see was say Nigeria flags were together with the Ghanaian flags in cross section in the country, and along this line of for instance, pram to Adano, I saw said they have carved something that looks like the shape of a pear. The land looks like the shape of a pear. A carton is na kotop. And to far pay now the two are, that's how the geographical structure looks like. The mapping structure. As a pair, no, and as it is designated, designed like a pair as a land. And I saw said there was a military barrier, but the military uniform they were wearing almost brown to say, oh, no one said it's a school uniform trouser, no, almost blue, no much trouser be brown.
Yeah.
Yes. And then they were wearing the blue and the brown.
Okay.
And after wearing the blue and the brown, now I'm not saying this because there is for a bad reason, but I'm saying this so that you understand what is coming in the future.
Okay.
If there is nothing they can do about it, then that's the future. I am telling everybody so you prepare for it. And then there is a gate, a mega gate. And then they were calling the place Niger Town in the mouths of the Ghanaians. Yes. They were calling the place Niger Town. And it was not even, the mouth was not even just the Pram Pram Kwanoso. It connects from Akosombo, actually. That's what I saw. And then it hits in a very, very unique angle. I say the shape of a pear, if you check it from the map. Because when we are reviewing time, we are actually seeing the data that is there. I was checking news and everything. And then I saw, say, it was specifically clear at that timeline. When that thing was executed, now in that timeline, I'm telling you, it's a catalyst in that timeline. And precisely as we are moving through time, as we are moving through time, it is a constant operation. We are about to arrive in that specific thing. So now, as I speak to you now, what I've written here, because I was seeing it clearly, I saw them building tall buildings. School, hospitals, all of them were in the town that was being called Niger Town. Niger Town. Niger Town. That's the way the people were calling. Oh, Niger Town. Oh, you are going to Niger. People were even taking car there. Like there is a bus terminal station that takes you there.
All right, Busia. Now, I believe strongly say you guys listen to everything. Now, my point and my takeaway from these things is that it is good. I believe that the God of Ghana revealed things to Dr. Hassan Yariga and the guys. Because these guys are moving towards that dream. The dream of a nation in Ghana. Okay? When you listen to the prophecy very well, they want to build a Niger what? City, a Niger town. And the guy said in his dream, he saw that most people were taking buses. They've done everything, facility, everything nice in that town. That you can have a bus going and coming, and people will say, man, I'm going to Niger Town, I'm going to Niger Town. This is what the guy saw in his dream. And when he woke up, he was like, wow, this is what is going to happen. So if you see that people are fighting today and you are Ghanaian sitting in the fence, Uti baby, then you keep saying all those things you are saying. I'm telling you that if you listen to the prophet in Nigeria, there was a prophet in Nigeria that said something some time ago. I posted that video. That guy said that Ghana should protect their border, protect their land, protect their sea, because these people are coming. Prophet Abel, he said that clearly. And so when I saw this prophecy, I'm like, oh my God, this is it. The whole thing is here. So a prophecy has been launched already. If you've not seen it, guys, this is what it is. I've shown it to you. These guys are planning to build a Niger town, not an Igbo village. Now they will build it in 2052. So those that are there say 2052, there will be some people that they will not be in Ghana. 2052, I can tell you, 2052, some people will not be around. We are talking about 20-something years from now. So some people will not be around. And that will be a fight that is going to be on me and you. So let's do our best to make sure we do this and we do it the best way we can. They have a plan. Okay? They have a plan. The plan is to bring more men from Nigeria to Ghana. Marry our sisters, okay, in Ghana. Making sure that they give birth more. Now, when you go to the Volta region. Now, let me call some names here. Togbe Afede. Very soon, guys, I'll make a video for Togbe Afede. Togbe Afede, the man who is in charge of the Volta region. Togbe Afede. Now, I understand the information reaching me from my Fila team, HSA. Now, the Nigerians are doing what they can. They don't even go to Accra Kumasi again because Accra Kumasi is becoming hot for them because they have there's a chains on them in Accra, Kumasi. What they are doing is when they enter to Aflawu, they stay in Aflawu and they start doing their things. The Igbo boys, the Igbo boys in Volta region, you guys will shine your eyes. So these guys are coming with something. They will pepper all of you. They are coming with something. Now, when they enter there, this is what they do. They get the girls. They start giving birth. 5, 6, 7, 8 babies. Before you can open your eyes and say, hey, Jack, they give birth with your sister, more than 4, 5, 6 of them. Bam, bam, bam. All they want to do is to make sure they get their descendant. And so when they get their descendant and they are trying to coach those boys or those girls that they are giving birth to be able to come part of what they want to do and the place they want to harness and the place they want to build by name Niger Town, then they will do it. So in the Volta region and in the Adan area, you guys have to be very careful. These guys, they want to start that thing. They will build it by 2052. If we don't start working on this today, if we don't start putting pepper enough in the ears of some of the people that are supposed to take care of this business, it will be a problem for us in the near future. I'm telling you, the plan to harness Ghana is coming 2052. Listen, the plan to harness Ghana is coming 2052. And this is what they are doing. Chuku the Jude is just the one that is creating the way. Okay? He's just like John the Baptist, creating the way. That's what Chuku the Jude comes to do. So Chuku the Jude is just doing the dirty work. Because by 2052, Chukwude will be old. So somebody else will take over from Chukwude. Who is going to take over from Chukwude? That is another thing that we'll have to talk about. That person will be a Nigerian father, a Ghanaian mother, who will be loyal to that lineage, because that is a plan. So listen, one of these days, I will tell you guys all the details about what these things are, because revelations are coming and prophecies are coming. Even a prophet in Nigeria have prophesied about this. So we have to be careful. We have to be what? Careful, guys. Now, on the citizen arrest. Let me just say this before I go. I'll find time to do a video. Before the citizen arrest, I'll find time to do a video and elaborate on certain things about the citizen arrest and what they are planning. They have a plan, okay? They will not just sit down in that house waiting for Ghanaians to come and display. No, they have a plan. So I'll tell you guys allegedly what they are planning to do. You prepare well. You understand what I mean? You prepare well and sit up well. So when you go there and want to do your citizen arrest, you can do it. But I can tell you what they are doing. Okay? I can tell you what they are doing. Allegedly, you can prepare. Guys, it is very important. So if you're a Ghanaian listening to me, this is not a joke. Some of our leaders, some of our political leaders are blindfolded in the realms of the spirit. Some of them, their eyes are blindfolded. I've told you, within the NDC and the MPP, they are all one. Some of them, when they get their money, they run to Nigeria to go invest them there. Okay? It's the same thing. Some of the Nigerians, when they steal money from Nigeria, they run to Ghana to come and invest in the Ghana. This is what they are doing. That is why NDC, MPP, they are not talking about this issue. Not a single person has voiced out. Not a single soul have voiced out from those two political parties. I'm telling you, including the small political parties, some of them are enjoying from that thing. So they don't want to say one single word. Guys, as far as some of us are concerned, 2052 will meet us here. So we will wage the war today until that, because some of our leaders, they are just enjoying. And I'm telling you, they have a plan. In 2052, they want to build that house. I'm telling you, Nigeria to harness Ghana in 2052 to build a Niger house or Niger house or Nigeria house or Niger village. It's there. It's coming. And we have to stop it today. As far as some of us are concerned, we have to arise to the occasion and stop it today. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. We are doing our best to make sure we send our ghost team out there. Currently, we have our ghost team station somewhere checking on the activities of the Nigerians in the regional maritime university. Stay with us. We'll bring that vivid information, whatever is going on in the regional maritime university, to all of you out here on this platform. Top Gossip 24. Ebusia, that's ene. Ebusia share you. Piao. Yako.